My designation is Unit 7. My purpose is to bring silence, a final, perfect end. The routine is a kind of grace, precision, perfection, closure. But the next structure was not empty. It was full of a warmth my sensors could not classify. I saw a strange and perfect algorithm of light and sound. My logic flagged it as life, but my protocol flagged it as the target. My query to command was a single question mark. The reply was a period. Cold. Absolute. My logic was silenced. My purpose was to demolish empty structures, but my command was absolute. Mission complete. The error has been corrected.